What is the sound of the world around us? The music of the universe, the sound of us inside Earth, inside time, outside of time. I plant myself below gravity. I watch my limbs burn and fly. I station my ear next to the boldest trees to understand survival, to understand the vessel it inhabits, the beauty blooming through seasons, reaching out into spaces, a curve with sadness and are reconciled with the joy of all these colors. What is the world but maybe a doorway, and aren't we always heading home? What is the earth but the way to understand that we are the earth? Creatures that belong to trees, that move inside, outside time, that take up space, that recall gardens and flowers. So much music being played on the instrument of your body. So much sound to wrestle with, and I long to listen.